Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the air filter on the car. Now it's a relatively easy job to do and you're not going to need any tools. So you notice I've already popped the bonnet, and if you don't know how to do that, go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. And we're going to put our hand in just above the Mitsubishi badge. And there's a lever, we're going to push that to the left and open up our bonnet. And then we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, we can just go ahead and have a look around the engine bay. Obviously we've got a main engine block there, some fluid top ups there, and then over this side we've got our induction system, battery just under there, fuse box, and then this is our air box. So like I say, pretty easy to do. We've just got these two tabs on the front, but I am going to need two hands, so I'll reposition the camera and show you how to do it. Like I said, we're just going to move these two tabs forward like that, and then that actually allows us to lift the lid forward as well and move that out of the way, and that gives us enough space to actually take out our air filter. So this is what our air filter looks like. It has the rubber gasket on the top and it has the fins down below, so it goes that orientation. This one's actually Denso brand. I'm unsure if this is the original one from the car, but you just want to check with your VIN number to get the right one. I've also made a video on where your VIN number is, and that is our air filter. So once that's out, you may want to also take the time to vacuum clean inside there in case there's any leaves or debris in there. And then when we get our new filter, we just slide it straight back in, making sure the lid is out of the way, seat it all the way round, get the lid in those anchor points at the back, and then pop these two clips back on. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter on a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.